Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the last day of the month and let's go over the trades today. But first and foremost, let's go ahead and open up the SPY. Let's see how that's doing. Let's do that SPY real quick. Obviously today, SPY was actually tanking. I'm not exactly sure for what reason. So, but I mean, definitely had a sell off for sure. So that's why I was a bit more careful towards the later on in the morning session. But let's go ahead and look at the daily real quick. If we look at the daily chart on the SPY, you can tell that there was this little doji-ish right here, right? And it kind of like double topped at this level. So it was bound to be like a red day based off the technical levels, right? Because of that. Just like I mentioned, like around this day, we're going to see like a run up and then down, run up and then down, maybe run up again, and then kind of do like a triple top and come back down. And then maybe fundamentally, if we receive some good market news, we could see a bull rally up, right? But this may not happen until January or something, or, but overall, definitely be cautious either way. So today I traded, well, on my watch list I had, if we look over here, right, SPCB CAAS, SNDL, IGC, and ORMP, and I think a couple others. But let me show you IGC. I didn't trade IGC today, but there was a setup that happened right now and I missed it. It was a good setup. So, and the setup was basically for the break of, let me pull up IGC. It was for the break of this 250 spot. I really liked it right here. As long as there was a seller, I would have definitely like went in. I'm sure there was. I can kind of tell by this pattern. But I missed it. I didn't have it on watch. And also another one could have been around this area, maybe for the break of like 240. So yeah, not bad. But anyways, I didn't trade that, right? The stocks that I traded today were AMRN, NNDM. AMRN was also on watch. COCP from Friday and HUGE popped up. WBR, downward runs sometimes. So I had a good move on that. So let's go over the ones I feel like could be worth showing. NNDM, I got in at 640 and I got out at 649 pretty much, right? So let's show you that one real quick. NNDM. And that was around, I believe, for the break of high of day, I believe around this area right here. So I got in for this break and the high of day was right there and it broke through. And I sold, around this area right here. Obviously went higher, but it came back and then went back up again. So overall, definitely good trade. Let's see what else we got. And then I also traded AMRN was, that was the only red trade I had today. I traded like 4 or 5 stocks and AMRN was the only trade I had red on. I was looking for this kind of break and it did happen over here, as you can see, but it failed, right? So I got out for like a couple cents loss, nothing major, right? And then eventually, obviously, it comes back up. So you can't catch everything. And then WWR, I got in, pretty much I scalped it just because the stock is kind of whippy. But a seller was there at the 650 level. So, and this was around, I believe this, let me look at the time real quick. So that was around 6:54 my time, so 9:54 market time. So it was probably around this area, maybe 6:54. Yeah, I was around this area right here, 6:44. Scalped it, but obviously went much higher, but it came back down. It couldn't hold its levels. So let's see. Let's see how this does later on in the day, maybe around the 650s area or even like 635s. Let's see what happens. But I'm not going to take any more trades for the day. COCP was another one. And HUGE was another one. So let's pull up that real quick. HUGE, I got in, I believe, around, let's see, I got in at $2 for the break of 2 at 7:26 my time. So which is going to be around this area right here, right? So I got in for the break of 2 right here, and I sold some on the way up. I sold around this area right here. When I saw this candle closed, right, I literally got out on this candle closed, but this closed really strong, and that's when I knew I just didn't go higher. But I didn't get back in, right? But I knew this was gonna go higher, because when you see a candle that closes up like this, like 100% on the top, like that's a very, very bullish sign. So most of the time it'll go up again. Look what happened. The next candle, same thing happened, right? It's strong. It closed very strong and then went back up again. So yeah, overall not bad. This may set up again or something later on, but I don't know. But I won't be trading, like I said. So overall, good day. I finished today at $270. Not bad, considering I only took like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades round trip. So I'll take that any time of the week. Overall, not bad. Just like I said, SPY is dumping. Just be cautious. So let's see how tomorrow brings. And hopefully you guys were green as well. And that's it from me. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment. This helps out the channel. Most of you guys that are watching are not subscribing, but you guys are watching. So definitely subscribe. Helps me out. Other than that, I will see you tomorrow.